Hello, welcome to Cultural Cuisine. Today we will be making a tea time snack. I'm going to be making today chicken and cheese Afghani fatir. Here are the ingredients ready for this recipe. I'm using 500 grams of strong white bread flour, but if you don't have that, you can always use plain flour. Here I have one medium onion sliced thinly. I've washed it with salt and I've squeezed all the water out. 1 cup of grated mozzarella I'm using. It's 1.5 cup of shredded chicken. I've boiled it with a little bit of salt and I've shredded it into small pieces. Here I have 1 teaspoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and about a tablespoon of green coriander chopped. I'm going to mix the filling ingredients ready first. I'm going to put the chicken, onions, black pepper, red chili flakes, green coriander, and the cheese together. Mix them all in nicely. Okay, our filling is ready now. I'm going to knead the dough now. I have not added any salt in the filling because cheese is salty. I've washed the onions with salt and I've boiled the chicken with a little bit of salt, so we don't need to add any salt in this filling. Okay, this is all ready now. Here, I'm going to add the yeast and the salt. Give it a quick mix. And start kneading the dough. Water it at the room temperature. It's not lukewarm. Okay, the dough is ready. It's a soft dough, you can see. Now I'm going to spray a little bit of oil, cooking oil, and leave it to rest for at least half an hour, 40 minutes. Okay, the dough is rested, and now I'm going to take it out and divide it into 4 equal parts. Floured my surface. Now I'm going to roll it out. Okay, this is rolled thinly. Now I'm going to brush it with melted butter. I've already turned the oven on to preheat 480 degrees centigrade. Okay, I'm going to sprinkle some of the filling. And start rolling it like this. Okay, I'm going to brush it with the butter again. Roll it into a dough ball. And leave it to rest for at least 10 minutes. I'll do the same with the rest of the dough balls. and I'll show you when it's ready. Okay, it's been rested. Now I'm going to roll it out. Spread it a little bit with my hands, then I'll use the rolling pin. Okay, this is ready. I'm going to prick it with the help of a fork and then put it in my baking dish. I'm going to brush it with the milk. Okay, I'm going to brush it with some milk. Prepare the other one the same way and roll it out, and then I'll put them both in the oven at the same time. Okay, this is ready to go in the oven. It will bake for 15 to 20 minutes in the oven, or until it's nice and golden color at the top, for 180 degrees centigrade. Okay, the fatis are ready. I've taken them out of the oven. Please remember to subscribe my channel if you have not done it yet. Give it a thumbs up if you like the recipe, and also press the bell icon to receive the notifications of upcoming videos.